Hey everyone, today we are going to solve the LeetCode question longest substring with at least k repeating characters. Okay, let's write the code. First of all, if length of s is less than k, so we immediately return 0. If not the case, so let's count each character, frequency of each character. So count equal, so let me use counter and s. And we create a hash map here. And then, so let's iterate one by one for character and frequency in count dot items. And if freq is less than k, so we divide and conquer. We execute divide and conquer. So return max of self dot so longest substring, and so one is, let's say, sub and k for sub in s dot split. So we divide current character, so character like this, and then return length s. Yeah, that's it. So let me submit it.